What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty and this blog is thexking.com. Hit you with another update to my blog. I do these once a month, show you the traffic and the blog and all the work I put in and show you where we're at. It's April 13th when I'm shooting the video, so I am behind 12 days, but I didn't have an opportunity to sit down, actually make a video till today. So let's go over what happened in March. We'll see how much traffic we've gotten and stuff like that from the website. So in February, which is the shortest month of the year, we got 207 visitors. January, we have 248. So it dropped down in February. In March, we got 237. So that's a good note. It's higher than February. So last month, I had 237 visits to the site. This month so far, we're not halfway through it yet. We got about 2 more days if we're halfway through the month, and we already had 100 visitors already to the site. So the site is still not going where I planned. I've been blogging for a long time, and still haven't got results that I was looking for. My schedule is to post 3 blog posts a week, and I've been doing that consistently. Some small posts, some big posts. I try to shoot for 1,000 words. Some posts are 1,500, some are 2,000. Some are like 300 words with a YouTube video. So there's small ones there too. So the traffic is not going where I planned it. So what I'm planning on doing is a couple of adjustments to the blog. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is create more content. I'm gonna create more content, have them timestamped to go live. I haven't really content in a while. I had enough content to last me this long. So the number one thing is keep producing content. Number two is do pillar posts, longer posts. I'm gonna try to write some 2,500 word or 3,000 word articles on my site. That takes longer to do. It might take me a week to write one. So I want to kind of write the 1,000 word, 1,500 word articles first, because I can write those in an hour and a half, 2 hours. Get those time stamped for the next 3-4 weeks, and now I can take my time writing the pillar posts that come behind those articles. So number one is to write more content, and number two is to write pillar posts, 3,000, 4,000 word articles for the site. I'm gonna keep on going with the site because I believe blogging is a way to go. Blogging can really make you some passive income. So I'm gonna keep writing content for the site. I'm not gonna give up on the site, even though it's not going where I planned it. Let's see, last year, this time, what's 2008? Let's go to last year. I have 438 in March. This year I got 237. Last year in April I got 356, and I got 100. Let's see, February of last year I got 682. So it hurts though when you try the drops like that. I had a YouTube video go viral for some reason, and it was on my blog post, and it got a lot of traffic. That what it mainly came from. But you see here, it's getting better. It's more than last year, but I'm hoping that it would be much more than this. But I'm gonna keep on grinding. I'm gonna keep on going. So you do the same thing. If you want to start a website, you should do it. Passive income. The blog. Once you set the blog up, how it looks, all you gotta do is post content, and that's it. Post content don't take long. You could do it before you go to work. You can do it after you go to work. You could do it during your lunch break. You can do this before you go to sleep at night. And it's passive income means people will read your site when you're at work, when you're asleep, when you're whenever, when you're out of town, when you have family time. People can read your site and you're making money. So that's why I like the blog aspect of it. There's only there's only a handful of things that's passive. Blogging can be passive. YouTube is passive because people say YouTube is not passive. Well, if I make a video 2 years ago and it still make me money, that's passive. It's passive. So YouTube is one, blogging is another, stocks is another, real estate is one, and a handful of other things. Not a whole lot of things are passive. Everybody about jumping on real estate. The real estate, blogging, YouTube, stocks, They pay dividends. That's passive or super passive. You got stuff you can rent out. There's businesses you can start as passive. So blogging is the one thing that you could do from home. When and right now we're still in quarantine. We're still, a lot of people lost their jobs, and it can't work. And you really can't go anywhere besides work, home, and the store. Everything's closed. Movie theaters are closed. Theaters are closed. The theme parks are closed. Parks are closed. The gym is closed. Everything is closed right now. Bowling alleys are closed. So you really can't even go nowhere. All the restaurants are takeout right now. So you can't eat inside of the family. So you're pretty much stuck at home. Well, you could build a business at home. Okay, you could build a business at home, and you could write content anytime you want and post it online and make some money. So it takes a long time to get there. You see my results. But if you want to start your website today, I got two. I'm on this site and rotogrip.org. If you're looking for a website today, I have below the video, I have a link to Bluehost where you can sign on to Bluehost, set a hosting account. You're paying like $3-4 per month. You might even get a free domain. I'm not sure yet, but the domain name is like $15. Very low startup cost, and you can possibly create a blog today and build content for the long term. So that's it for my video. Not where I want to for March, but March March was better than February, but February is a short month. So February is 28 days, March is 31 days, but it's better than the previous month. So I'm hoping that April will be higher than March. My name is Todd from NetsKing.com. Thanks for watching.